have posted in videos. So now I chose the moment to put a video based on maths, and I choose two difficult problems for you here. So the two problems has been there in the CBSE for 3 years. One problem is in 2004, 2005 and 2010, this question. And the other one has been in 2008, 9 and 17. So I decided to take these two problems for you to solve. So the first problem is a man standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meters above the water level. He observes the angle of elevation of the top of a hill as 60 degrees. Calculate the distance of the hill from the ship and height of the hill. So here is the figure given. Here this one is the hill, and here the given this DE is not given, but the EC is given because the ship is 10 meters height, and here is a man here named. So A is looking at D. There is no one on top of the hill. D is just the hill, the point. And here is the distance between the ship and the hill. But we don't know what's the distance between them. But they have asked what is the distance of the hill from the ship and the height of the hill. So we have taken here as x. So what we have to find? X. So how to solve this problem? Pause the video and try to solve this problem on your own. Now you might have found the answer, so we're going to do it now. So here what we're going to do is we're going to take triangle ADE. So here we have got 60 degree, but H is unknown. So we'll be taking tan 60. What is tan 60? Root 3, right? So root 3. So, and what is tan's formula? Huh? Yes. Okay, so what's the formula for tan? Opposite by adjacent. So which is the opposite side? This one is opposite, here is the adjacent. So it is DE by AE or EA, your choice, is equal to root 3. So it will be equal to root 3 is equal to h by x. So here we will get h is equal to root 3x. Yes, this is the height we found for this. So here is root 3x. Now the next one you have to find is this x. How to solve the x? So we'll be taking another triangle, the triangle, this one, triangle AEC. So we'll find for x here. So since, so this will be also 60, right? Because this is 90 degree. So 90 minus 30 will be 60. So we'll get 60 here. So what we will do, tan 60 for triangle AEC, okay? Will be equal to AE by EC. Tan 60 is also equal to root 3, so it will be x by 10. So x is equal to 10 root 3. Hence we found this. So if we substitute with this one, since this is 1, and this is equation number 2, we can substitute it. So h is equal to root 3 into 10 root 3. So it's equal to 30. How? Because root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 into 10, 30. Hence we have got 30 meter. But the question is we have to find the distance between them. We already got x is equal to 10 root 3, right? So how to solve it? So the distance here also, it will be 40. How? Because 10 plus this 30, right? So DC is equal to 10 plus 30, that is 40 meter. hence solved. So most of you got 40 meters. Okay, so good. Now next problem is a straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. So this is the highway here, and here is the foot of the tower. Looks awkward. Then a man standing at the top of a tower. Here is a man here. A man standing here observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees. So he's looking down. These two are the depressions. Probably this guy is depressed. Which is approaching the foot of the tower with uniform speed, meaning the speed is uniform. So after 6 seconds later, the angle of depression is 60. Find further time taken to reach the foot of the tower. So they have given the speed, but they given the angles here. So the first starting this point A, it was 30 degree. Later, 6 seconds later, it turned to 60 degree. So they are asking how much time will it take for this car to reach here, this foot of the tower. Please comment how the rating of my car. Okay. So pause the video and try to solve it. Have you solved it? Was it tough or easy? Let me know in the comments. So what we have to do first here is we'll be do this one, triangle AQP. So since this is 90 degree, we will take tan 30. What is the formula? Opposite by adjacent. So here is the opposite. They have not given the height of the tower. So we are taking as h. So h by, and we have to find this too. So for this one BP, we will be taking as Vt because it's speed into time, right? What's the distance formula? Speed into time. So we are taking BP, the distance, as we're taking this. I'm taking speed as Vt. So Vt, because both the speeds are uniform, meaning the speed is same, but the time is different. So here I am taking as Vt, and here this AB we are taking as 6V, because they already gave the seconds here, but the time, this uniform is not given, or speed, so 6V. Hence, so AP is equal to 6V plus Vt. So it will be 6V plus Vt. Yeah. Now, what is tan 30? 1 by root 3, right? So it's 1 by root 3. So how? So you can just cross multiply, right? So root 3h is equal to 6V plus Vt. So we got this gap. Take this as equation number 1. You might need it. Now the next we have to find is for h. Only then we can substitute for this gap. So we will be taking QPB. Just one second. Now for the second equation, we will be taking triangle QPB. So we are taking this side. So BP, what we got was TV, right? So BP, TV, and the height is h1. So we will be taking tan 60, because they shown the car when it reached after 6 seconds, it became 60 degree, right? The angle of depression. Hence, we root 3. So root 3 is equal to BP, right? H by TV. So cross multiply, h is equal to root 3 TV. Now we take this as equation number 2. Now you got something to substitute, right? So do the substitution, you will get root 3 into, what is that? This one, no? So root 3 TV, TV is equal to 6V plus, I'm putting this TV over. Alright, now you will get 3TV equal to 6V plus TV. Now if you put this side, you will get 2V. So 6V plus 2TV. 2TV. Now if you divide them, your T is equal to 6V by 2V, which will be 3 seconds. Hence the time taken will be 3 seconds. But the total time for this, starting from here to reach there, what you have to do? 6 plus 3, 9. So total seconds will be 9 seconds. They just asked here further time taken to reach this to here. So you can just write 3 seconds. And that's it. Hope you did get your answers right. If you did, congrats, you have done 2 problems. Now if you have any doubts or if you have any other problems, you know where to find me, and just write in the comment section. See ya.